This video is to show you how to mount your filter on a 1500 PSI, 0.15 and 0.30. Right here where it says filter bracket, that's where you're going to hang it. You're going to put your 4 screws into the top of your filter housing with the inlet side on the right, like this. Hang that into the bracket. Then you're going to take your longer piece with the garden hose adapter. You're going to plug this in into the inlet side just by pushing real firmly until it pushes no further. This will go to your garden hose or your water spigot. And on the outlet side of the filter, you'll push this little 16-inch piece that comes with your filter kit. Push it in firmly, and then the other end will go into the inlet here. Pushing it firmly. And you're ready to go.